What exactly does sundown mean? Like after the sun sets or 5:39?
How's it going, guys?
Thanks. Good day. Today's adventure in Key West, Florida has brought us to Fort Zachary Taylor Historic State Park.
Yeah, there's two parts to the state park. There's the fort and there's the beach. So the fort tour might be short because the beach is right over here.
The beach is calling our name right now.
Snorkeling is calling.
Yes, so we're gonna explore the fort first and then we'll take you over to the beach. So let's head on over to the fort.
Please stay off the cannon.
Stop getting on the cannon, Tracy.
Not a toy.
It was started to be built.
1845. Construction began.
And in 1861 it served in the American Civil War.
Is it heavy? Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
But it would have had rope. I mean, it would have tied the
whole cannon.
Yeah. I wonder if
If that's where they brought the stuff up.
right.
The ammo.
Yep. At the original, so they would have had like cannon there, and they're on wheels, and they could.
Oh, okay.
Turn them more.
Turn them, move them from side to side.
Yep.
Here's the artifacts of this is what the cannons were right here and stuff. These are the cannons. They buried them under this concrete. Now, I did a little snorkeling today. The visibility is pretty low because it's pretty windy out. So I think there's just a lot of, the waves are kind of rolling in and stuff. So we didn't see anything, but these are some of the fish you'll see. Anyway, I would bring snorkeling gear. Like I say, I think that today was just kind of murky because of the wind. This concludes our day at Fort Zachary Taylor State Park.
Yes, so we explored the fort, and then they have the beach on this side, which has snorkeling. They have a little cafe. They actually have a lot of food, like burgers and nachos and everything here, pretty much.
Yeah, so I don't think you need to pack a lunch unless you want to.
There's tons of picnic tables, though, that if you want to pack a lunch, there's tons of picnic areas. There's shade. You can rent a chair and umbrella, or just chairs, or just an umbrella. They got it all right here.
Yeah, and then literally, I think an eighth of a mile away is the entrance to the fort. And you can go over and explore the fort and come back and do some swimming and lay on the beach.
Yep, it's great. Highly recommend it.
Definitely. Nice place to come. Come out for the day.
Fort Zachary Taylor Historic State Park in Key West, Florida. Bye.